All right, so this is a Russwin 2810 series door closer. Clarksdale. The adjuster for the latching speed is right here, and it takes a small thin Allen wrench. Allen wrench goes inside, going clockwise. Makes it tighter and slower. Makes the last few inches of the door close slower. Now, I have no idea if this screw right here that takes a flathead screwdriver. I don't know if that's adjusts anything. I tried turning and playing around with it, and I thought it would adjust the closing speed or swing speed of the door, but it did nothing when I played around with that. But I suspect it might, maybe mine's is broken, but my issue was the latching closing speed at the very end, and adjusting that worked for me.